They are our best friends, and we have a whole group of faces you might know and recognize here. And I know this car, and we're really excited to see it. So we had a party that was a mess several years back at Huntington Beach, and this was there. And let me tell you, this thing is amazing, right? Absolutely amazing. So we're excited. I am going to introduce Sean Davis from Autotopia, and he's going to tell you a little more about it. And we got our buddy Kenny. We got a lot of people we're going to introduce them, but most importantly, we're going to get to see something really cool. So thanks for coming, everyone. Stick around and let's do this.
Let's do it, man. Yeah. Hey guys, whoa. My voice is definitely loud. I'm Sean from AutotopiaLA. By the way, Aaron, you know your dad sat in this car.
Yes, he did.
I walked your dad through this car a few years back. So here's the brief. If you don't follow Vicious Mustang, about 3.5 years ago, out on one of the quarantine cruises, a guy with a big lifted truck tried to make a lane change. He couldn't see that this car was there, and he couldn't figure out why his truck wouldn't make the lane change, so he just kept hitting it across the whole left side of this car. Luckily enough, nothing structural or mechanical was damaged, but when you're dealing with a car that's all hand-fabbed body parts, well, you got a problem, right? And so my buddy Sean Smith, who's a wonderful, wonderful automotive designer, Sean said, here's a great opportunity for you guys to flip it. Give it a new suit, give it some new shoes. Mechanically, there's not much more to do to this car because, you know, what you've got is Art Morrison underneath this car. You got big carbon ceramic brakes on it. You've got twin turbos along with a supercharger because one just wouldn't be enough, right? So tuned to the way this car is right now, it's making a little over 1,000 horsepower at the rear tires. Real true 1,000 horsepower at the tires. Basically, this is a race car that masquerades as a 65 Mustang. So my buddy Chris Marischal here, who's the owner of the vehicle, he doesn't like doing this part where you get on the microphone, stand in front of people and pretend like you're cool. So Chris is going to grab the cover along with the C-Tech folks. We're going to pull the cover off so you guys can get a really good peek at this car. And then I'm going to see if Chris wants to talk to y'all a little bit. And all I can say is be prepared because this is Vicious Mustang 2.0. Let's pull that cover, boys. Wait. Come on. That's Vicious 2.0, y'all.
Vicious 2.0, guys. That looks pretty good.
Chris, why don't you say a couple words for everybody?
Everyone out here, thanks a lot for showing up and being part of the unveil. Thank you to C-Tech for hosting us. Thank you for Sean, who's been with me on the journey for 7 years or so now. In fact, he was the first one to drive this car. Okay, not me, Sean. We have an excellent video. It's going to drop at 5 p.m. tonight with all the full details, and it brought me to tears, okay? I'll just leave it there. Super excited that I'm back. I get to drive it, regain my relationship with the car, bring it to the quarantine cruise. I'm still not afraid to drive it on the street. That's what I built it for, and the track. So we'll have a hell of a 2024 coming up, for sure. Thanks a lot, you guys.
And we'll pop the hood in a second so you guys can see some more mayhem. Okay, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I did. Thank you so much. This is awesome. The breakfast is going
So I just